OMG
Indeed.
Jabo. Yep, it's Jabo. Yep, it's Jabo. Everybody, the one and only Jabo Casio from Bubba Jabo,
From Clinton City, Utah.
Clinton City, Utah. 1,000 waves around the roundabout by the storage. All right, bro. Yep. Where's Bosworth, bro? Bosworth. Bosworth. Bosworth.
Boss,
Bozzy.
he's watching. Unfortunately, because he's watching on his. Damn, just barely joined. You're not even in the live yet. Someone says something. Check.
Mr. Dimples, I see you. Hey, bro, let me see your dimples.
Hey,
Oh, what's up,
good are
sis?
your dimples.
What's up, sis? Hi, Emma.
Good are your dimples.
I see you, bro. Miss you, miss you, love you. You already know. How's work? How's work?
Eh,
Uh, are you guys
eh.
hardly working or working hard?
Did you screenshot? You should have screenshotted. Did you? You should have.
I love you guys. Work is stress. Bro, I thought somebody flipped us off in the comment, but it was just his emoji for his picture. Hey, hardly, bro. Hardly working, bro. Bruh, who did? Yo, who was that? Who did that? Who did that? I'm gonna throw hands with you, bro. With my
Nasa pambewan ba siya?
okay, bro. Okay, bro.
Send another one.
See, come Guam. I'm telling you guys, bro. This girl, this Jay, like this the lotion that I have. The lotion that I have, like I wake up in the morning and it's always looking at me, and every time this girl looks at me, look at it.
What
Oh
the
my goodness.
What's wrong with their eyebrows?
Remind me of one of our auntie's eyebrows.
This photo, dude.
You guys know who I'm talking about, right?
Uncle Mosley.
Brunez's favorite. That girl is pretty. Oh yeah. You're not Chuukese if you don't have that lotion.